Are you looking? As global travel continues to surge, modern men are packing smarter and lighter, turning to essential travel accessories that offer both functionality and style. Whether you're a business traveler, digital nomad, or adventure seeker, the right gear makes all the difference. In this guide, we evaluate the best travel accessories for men based on durability, design, practicality, and overall value, so your trips can be smoother, more organized, and hassle-free. Listen up. FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch, Electronic Accessories Carry Case. Tech-savvy travelers know that tangled cables and misplaced chargers can ruin a journey. The FYY Travel Cable Organizer solves that with a thoughtfully designed, double-layered, waterproof case. It features elastic loops, mesh pockets, and padded compartments to keep all your essentials, chargers, earbuds, SD cards, and even a small power bank, neatly organized and protected. Its compact size makes it perfect for slipping into backpacks or carry-ons without adding bulk. The exterior is crafted from durable, water-resistant material, shielding your gadgets from spills and splashes. Ideal for digital nomads or weekend adventurers, this pouch is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to declutter their tech while on the go. It's not just functional, it's stylish and built to last. List number: Manicure Set, Men Personal Care Tools Accessories Kit. Maintaining a well-groomed appearance while traveling is crucial, especially for professional men. This manicure set for men includes everything you need to keep your hands, feet, and face tidy on the road. The kit features high-quality stainless steel tools such as nail clippers, tweezers, scissors, a nail file, and even a blackhead remover, all neatly packed in a compact, leather-look case. The sleek design fits effortlessly in a DOP kit or carry-on, making it the ideal grooming companion for frequent flyers. Each tool is ergonomically designed for comfort and precision, perfect for both routine grooming and emergency touch-ups. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a tropical getaway, this travel-sized grooming kit ensures you're always looking sharp and feeling confident. List number: BagSmart Electronics Travel Organizer Case. The BagSmart Electronics Organizer brings practical organization to a whole new level. Built for tech-heavy travelers, this compact yet spacious pouch features multiple compartments and adjustable dividers to fit your chargers, earbuds, USB cables, and power banks. The water-resistant polyester fabric and padded interior protect electronics from impact and spills. A handy top handle adds portability, and the slim profile slides easily into backpacks or luggage. One of the standout features is the dual zipper design, which allows for easy access to your gear without unpacking everything. Whether you're working remotely from a cafe or catching a red-eye, this travel organizer keeps your tech essentials secure and within reach. For men who juggle gadgets and don't want the clutter, the BagSmart case is a sleek, practical solution. List 4. Eoro Passport Holder for Travel Essentials. A reliable passport holder is a travel essential, and the Eoro Passport Holder is a smart upgrade from basic pouches. Designed to hold your passport, boarding pass, credit cards, ID, cash, and even a SIM card. This all-in-one travel wallet keeps your important documents in one place. The slim, lightweight design fits easily in your pocket or carry-on, while RFID blocking material adds a crucial layer of identity theft protection. Made from premium PU leather, it offers a sophisticated look and feel while standing up to the rigors of frequent travel. Internal compartments are thoughtfully designed for quick access during airport security or hotel check-in. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional travel accessory, this passport holder is a refined choice for men who travel often and travel smart. List 5. 10-set compression packing cubes for travel essentials. Packing efficiently is an art, and the 10-set compression packing cubes are the artist's tools. This set transforms your chaotic suitcase into a neatly organized space. The cubes come in various sizes, making it easy to separate clothing types, accessories, and toiletries. Best of all, The compression zippers allow you to squeeze out excess air, freeing up space and minimizing wrinkles. Made from durable, water-resistant nylon, these cubes hold up to repeated use and international travel. Whether you're packing for a week-long business trip or a month-long adventure, these cubes keep everything in order and help you avoid overpacking. Color-coded options also help in quick identification. For men who like their travel gear efficient, minimal, and organized, this set is a total game changer.